up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. It is Toya here. How to look good for the gram. Now, while Snapchat has filters and stuff like that, Instagram doesn't really have filters like readily available until after you take the picture. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a banging photo spot on by doing this fake plastic surgery routine. I don't do this every day. I don't do this. When have I ever done this? I don't know, but I know it's been going around and I wanted to show you guys my little spin on it, my little take on it, to see what you guys thought and if you guys would try it out. So this is basically going to be a body highlight and contour routine, simply put. It's gonna give you guys a little something in the boobage area. It's gonna give you guys higher collarbones, cheeks that are snatched, you know, the whole nine. So if you would try it and if you have done it before, let me know in the comment section below. Let's talk about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and share it with a friend, and also hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. I now have a new schedule. Let me say it once again. I will be posting every Monday and Friday, 2 videos a week. Alright, my wig details, of course, as usual, are left in the description bar below. I already have a video on this unit. I just kind of styled it a little bit differently. So of course, guys, stay tuned for the tutorial to see how I do this really cool quick body hack for the gram. Okay babes, so we're looking kind of flat and boring as hell. Definite thumbs down. We need some more definition, we need some more something. So I've applied a base. This is the Jordana Complete Cover 2-in-1. I've placed that all over my face and also a little bit on my chest area, just to give us a base to work with. And I'm going to highlight. I'm using the Elegant Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm just using this to do some lifting in the bust area to highlight my collarbones and also to highlight my face. To contour, I'm using the FOF concealer stick. I love this concealer because it blends out so easily. So I'm just going to apply that to my boobs where I want them to have some plumpness, and also to my collarbones and the sides of my nose. As my concealer for my cheek area, I'm using the Black Up Cosmetics Cream Contouring Stick, and I'm just using that, you know, just to give me a really nice shadow right there and make those cheekbones a whole lot higher. And of course, we're going to blend out all that work using a damp beauty blender. You of course want to alternate between sides. Do whatever you need to do just to make sure everything is blended out. My concealer does look a little bit crazy in the beginning, but it's all a process, guys. Don't have a fit. It will blend out once we've blended everything together. Once I've finished blending out my highlighted areas, I'm going to move on to blending out my contour. I'm just going to flip my sponge over and just blend out everything else. We want everything to be so flawless and seamless that nobody can tell that we even did this fake ass plastic surgery. So just go ahead and blend out all of that work. And I switched my sponge for my brush once I had finished blending out most of it, just to make sure that it was nice and flawless. All that work, of course, needs to be set, so we're going to move on to setting all those areas. I'm using a loose powder and a pressed powder. My lighter powder is to set my highlights and the darker one to set my contour. And I'm using the Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder for my highlighted areas. I'm just going to let that sit a while I move on to setting the contoured areas with my Milani Pressed Powder in Earth Glow. Now we're just going to dust away all the excess powder that we've had on our face, and I'm also going to set my face. You guys didn't see that part on camera. I set my face with a powder that was my shade, just to make sure that everything is flawless. Now once we're set, we need to glow the hell up, guys. We have to glow up because this is just a given. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I think I took Dripping in Gold. I think that's the one I took right there. And I'm just going to use that to glow up everywhere. My boobs, my collarbones, my cheeks, everywhere that you want to be slayed and you want that light to hit when you're taking your photos. Now to make those lips nice and plump and juicy, of course you need to do something to them. We need to get our Kylie Jenner on right now. So I'm gonna apply some lip gloss. This is the plumpest looking lip gloss I have. It makes my lips look so juicy. This is Luminous by Milani Cosmetics, and I'm applying that all over my lips. And just like that, you're a slayer, baby. So easy, right? I know, so easy. Now our boobies look so on fleek, and we can slay the hell out of Instagram and Snapchat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love this really cool hack. Hope you guys try it out. Don't forget to hit subscribe and also follow me on my gram and my Snapchat for real. All the info is in the description bar below. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.